Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora and I am back with another video. Guys, on today's video it's all about this MAC foundation and the audio fix powder. So I will be doing a review about it. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this look, like how I come out to achieve the look with this MAC product, please just keep watching. And thank you the new subscribers, guys. I see you guys all, like, you guys are awesome. Like, I'm seeing the new subscribers, I'm seeing you guys subscribing, like, oh my god, thank you guys so very much. I really love you all out there. Like, for the old and the new subscribers, you guys are so amazing. Without you all out there, there is no Anora. Thank you so very much. I love you all so very much. So guys, without further ado, let's just get into our video. We'll just go in and prime my face. And the primer I'm using is from Huda Beauty. It's how it came out because I ordered it online. So this is how it came. So and here's what I got from inside. I got this spray and a Huda Beauty brush. Sorry, this is an unboxing and reviewing. This is 2-in-1 video. So I got this brush from it and I got the MAC. Here, this is the powder, and here comes the foundation, and our box is empty. So let's open and see how it looks from inside. Wow, it's quite nice. I love it. It's my shade. I think I'll use the mirror. I'll go in now with my foundation first. This is the foundation. This is how it came out. I hope it's my shade. Like, I really pray and hope this foundation is my shade. So let's just go in and pop like 2 to 3 pumps. Let me check it first. So guys, this was the last shade the lady got. This was the last shade. When I ordered, she told me she have just 3 shades. So this is the darkest she could send to me. Okay guys, I think this is my perfect shade of foundation. I think so, because the way it blends and it got a full coverage. For the foundation, I will recommend it because this is just the first layer and everything, it's well covered, even though I don't have so much damage on my face, but I think it's perfect. It's perfect for me. For me, the foundation, it's perfect. Let's go in now and conceal underneath my eyes. And for the concealer I'll be using is from Huda Beauty. So I'll just go in now with this and blend it in. So I'll just go in now and contour. Just go in now with this brush and try to blend in. So when I'm done with that, I'll just go in now and I try to set. I'll just go in now with my browns, and for my browns, the pencil I'll be using it's from Huda Beauty. So I'm just going to conceal my brows, and the concealer I'm using is from Buffalo. So let's go in now and brush up my normal eyelash. Using this Huda Beauty eyeliner in lining my eyes. I'll just go in now with this Audio Matte Fix and pat it into my face. I'll use a foam that came with it and just pat it in. Wow, guys, I will say this audio, wow, this really a perfect finishing touch, guys. Like, I'm loving this. Oh my god. So I'll just pat it all over my face to give it that perfect look, guys. Like, ooh, bravo Mac, bravo, you guys have a good, like, very perfect. And this is my perfect shade too. And done with this, I'll just go in now and highlight my face. And the highlighter I'm using is from Diddy Girl. Go in and highlight the inner corners of my eye. Just pass the brush all over my forehead, just to give it a little brightening up at the forehead. Highlight under my cheek. So now, guys, I'll go in now with my lips. I will be using the Huda Beauty lip contour. Huda Beauty lip contour, and just line up my lip. So when I'm done lining up my lip, I'll just go in with this pop lipstick that I got here. It's just a normal lipstick, the same moisturizer lipstick. This lipstick I'm using. The smell of this, what a nice smell. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Like, I appreciate each and every one of you out there for watching my video. Thank you so very much. So guys, this is the lipstick look that I'll be carrying on today for this look. Like, and I'm done with this, how the look turns out. And guys, let me give my honest view of this. Like, firstly, I will go in with the foundation. The foundation, it's coverage for me because I don't have a lot of edge on my face. I put it just once and it's here for my skin. So I love the foundation, even though it's not my shade. It's in the shade of M.A.C. 45. So the lady to us was the last shade she has. She does not have another, so I had to take it. Okay, so I think for the next purchase I'm doing about the foundation, I'll be taking the darker one because this is a little bit, it was a little bit white on my face when I put it on, except for the contour that I contour my face that helped to cool it down. So I will give this foundation a 8. Yeah, 8, because I love it. I love the flavor, everything about it. It's so nice. And let's go in now with the powder. Like this, I don't know, this Audio Matte Fix. Like, this powder, it's awesome, guys. Like, it's so perfect, like, it's amazing. I love it. Like, it's 100% amazing. I love it so much, and it's my shade. Everything just match it up. Like, when I damp it in my face, everything just match it up. So I love the products. Okay, in total, I love the product. Okay, so I definitely will be ordering more. Okay, so thank you so much for my order and for the gift that you guys sent to me. Thank you, I just used it. And guys, I think that's all about the video for today. Guys, if you love the video, please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below what you think about the product and say good. Like, I was just doing the video and you guys were watching, so you guys should give me your own score, what you think about MAC's products. But for me, my first purchase, I love it. Me, I love their product. Their products are good, even though it's quite expensive, but it's okay, it's perfect. And guys, I think that will be all about the video for today. I know that it's done, like I'm done. Okay, so I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, and I love you all so very much. Peace out.